How does Folexin really work? Folexin is a natural supplement that is praised for being an effective and all-natural hair loss solution. In this video, however, I want to expand a bit on how the supplement works and what makes it so special among all the noise and other products that are currently in the marketplace. As you already know, losing your hair is a serious problem. It affects your self-confidence and also your self-esteem. So as a result, it is very important to choose the right products or product that will help you to achieve the best result of getting your full head of hair back. The last thing you want to do is to waste money on a product that promises amazing results but fail to deliver, or even cause your hair loss problem to get worse. Thankfully though, Folexin has been getting nothing but positive reviews from the online community. That said, let's have a closer look at how Folexin really works to stop hair loss. It is very important to reiterate that Folexin is composed of 100% natural ingredients. This is important because unlike most other products in the market, Folexin works with your body's natural process of restoring lost hair. One of the key ingredients that allows this product to work so well is called BIOTIN, also known as vitamin H, and is part of the vitamin B family. Biotin's key function is to support and improve the health of the skin, digestive tract, nerves, cells, metabolism, and of course, your hair follicles. The good thing about biotin is that while it promotes hair growth, it also prevents shedding of your hair. It helps to improve the strength and elasticity of the thickest layer of the hair, which is the shaft, also known as the cortex. In fact, a 2012 study as well as a 2015 study both agrees that supplementing with biotin will improve hair growth and prevent hair shedding. This comes from the fact that both studies gave a selected group of people doses of biotin as well as a placebo over an extended period of time and monitor their results. In both studies, the group that were supplemented with biotin experienced significant hair growth and decreased shedding of hair when compared to the groups that were given a placebo. This is a clear indication that biotin is very important in the war against hair loss. The manufacturers of Folexin understood this fact, and it is the main reason why they incorporated adequate amounts of biotin that is proven to improve hair growth. Another key ingredient in Folexin is folic acid, which like biotin is also a member of the vitamin B family. Folic acid is extremely important for hair growth, and the lack of it could be the reason why you're experiencing thinning of your hair or hair loss. Style Craze, which is a popular and trusted health website, also reports that regular consumption of folic acid has been found miraculously effective in preventing male pattern baldness. In a perfect world, we could get all the folic acid we need from foods. Unfortunately, we don't live in a perfect world, and so in order to get adequate amount of folic acid, which is important for hair growth, we have to supplement. Progressive Health, which is another popular health website, states that for adults supplemented with folic acid, they should take between 400 mcg to 1000 mcg to experience the full benefits of this vitamin. This is in line with the manufacturers of Folexin, which has 880 mcg folic acid in each dosage. Real customer reviews of Folexin suggest that it is an effective supplement. I could sit here all day and tell you about the ingredients in Folexin and how well they help hair loss and blah blah blah, but none of that wouldn't be important or make any sense to you if and when you take the supplement nothing happens. So the great thing about Folexin is that based on numerous real-world reviews from past customers who have actually taken the supplement, it is very effective in the long term. Take for example Mark. Mark's confidence has gone through the roof since experiencing amazing results from using Folexin. As his father started going bald at age 30, Mark was adamant that he didn't want to go in his father's footsteps. He read several Folexin reviews online and was confident he should give it a try. Now months later, he is very glad he did, and according to him, he is back in control. And another customer known as Anthony McMaster. According to Anthony, his hair was thin and wispy from as early as age 25. Now he has been using Folexin consistently, and to say that he's happy with the result would be an understatement. In Anthony's own words, "I have been blown away with the results." Now this is just two unbiased Folexin reviews out of the hundreds of customers that are happy that they gave it a try. So if you are experiencing hair loss or going bald, then you should give this supplement a try for the long term. Please realize, however, that I said for the long term. You cannot take Folexin for hair loss and expect results overnight. It just doesn't work like that. While some persons may see results in a few weeks, the majority may need to take Folexin for at least 2 months. So that's something you also want to keep a note of. The only downside though is that you'll have to invest in at least 2 bottles and take it religiously every day for at least 2 months before you can make any conclusions. I'll be the first to tell you, Folexin is not a miracle supplement that will instantly get you results overnight. However, if you're experiencing any form of hair loss and you can be patient for a few weeks to get results, then this proven supplement may be your answer. If you're ready to try this supplement, click the link below in the description and get a 25% coupon code. Ready to try Folexin? Go ahead, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video guys, and please remember to like and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions or concerns, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.